You're back at 12:14. The so-called triple-demic is impacting the nation, but here in Virginia, health experts say we have to worry about two of the viruses, the flu and COVID. The Department of Health released its weekly flu data. We're still considered very high for flu transmission across the state, and for COVID, more than 1,800 cases were reported just today. Earlier this week, we told you RSV cases in the Commonwealth are actually close to the baseline numbers. That's according to experts. Nationwide, it's a similar story. Flu cases are soaring. Los Angeles County has returned to a high COVID level too. And now doctors in Ohio are working to contain a measles outbreak. ABC's Ika Jachi has the story.
Our hospital is full, our ICU is full, and that is scary because we know that there are sick kids out there.
The so-called triple-demic is hammering hospitals across the country. Rising rates of COVID-19, flu, and other respiratory viruses flooding hospitals with sick children.
Our pediatric floors and our ICUs have been full all across the country and in Los Angeles.
In Los Angeles County, new cases of COVID-19 have risen 40% in just 1 week. The city now designated a place of high transmission by the CDC. Officials are calling for people to take precautions even if masks haven't been made mandatory yet.
We do appreciate that more people are masking indoors and using strategies such as testing and staying home when they're sick.
In New York, 80% of adult hospital beds are full, the highest peak since the Omicron surge. And flu and RSV cases are driving those numbers even higher. Overnight, the FDA clearing the way for children as young as 6 months to get the enhanced COVID booster.
Vaccination is the best way we know to help prevent the serious outcomes of COVID-19.
And for some families, it's not one illness or the other. Eliana James was rushed to the hospital this week after breaking out in a 104-degree fever.
In the middle of nowhere on the side of the road and your daughter's having a seizure, not knowing what to do.
She was diagnosed with both COVID-19 and RSV and spent 4 days in the hospital.
What about if her fever spikes up again and she goes into another seizure or she gets sicker?
For parents in Ohio, there's a fourth growing threat: measles. Officials say at least 63 children are being treated for the virus, with more than 24 in the hospital. Ika Jachi, ABC News, New York.